Ah, salvete! Welcome, dear friend, to the very heart of Rome, the eternal city. Come closer and behold the magic that unfolds in this modest shop. Here, among the scents of fresh leather and the clamor of the market, I, Lucius Aemilius, ply my craft as a cobbler. Have you ever seen a soul without a proper soul? Here in my humble workshop, I've mended the sandals of senators and slaves alike. I've stitched the boots of generals and dressed the feet of emperors. My hands, hardened and calloused from years of labor, are a testament to my dedication. My day commences with the first light of Sol, the mighty sun god. I rise, bless my household gods, and tread the familiar path to the forum, where the city comes alive. My little shop, filled with the rich aroma of wax and oils, welcomes me like an old friend. As I ignite the lamp and arrange my tools, a collection of awls, knives, hammers, and needles, the first customers of the day eagerly line up. Soldiers, with worn-out boots that have marched through battle, beg for repairs. Matrons, elegant and graceful, seek the latest styles in footwear. Ah, the styles! The fashion of Rome is ever-changing, and I must keep abreast of the latest trends. From the red-soled shoes of senators to the intricate designs demanded by the wealthy elite, my craft requires not just skill but artistry. My mind dances with designs, each stitch a note in a symphony of leather. But let me tell you a secret, this shop has seen more than just shoes. I'm an ear to the whispers of the city. Senators confide in me their political aspirations. Lovers share their deepest desires. In the shadow of my shop's awning, secrets are traded, deals are struck, and Rome's destiny is shaped. The midday sun signals a break, and I join my fellow craftsmen in the local tavern. We exchange tales and toast to Bacchus, the god of wine. The stories range from the mundane to the marvelous, each tradesman a poet in his own right. The laughter we share is a balm for the weariness that comes with relentless toil. In the afternoon, apprentices swarm my shop, eager to learn. I take them under my wing, teaching them not just to cobble but to create. The hands that once fumbled now fashion masterpieces, and my heart swells with pride. But the day is not always kind. I've seen sandals stained with the blood of the gladiatorial arena, boots worn by soldiers who never returned, shoes that have witnessed tragedy. I mend them with a heavy heart, knowing that in my hands I hold the very essence of Rome's joy and sorrow. Days turn into nights, and nights into memories. I close my shop with a satisfied sigh, reflecting on the souls of touched and the souls of mended. I make my way home, the city bathed in Luna's silvery glow, filled with a sense of purpose. In the grand tapestry of Rome, I'm but a humble thread. Yet, it's craftsmen like me, with hands and hearts devoted to our art, who hold the fabric of this great civilization together. So, dear friend, the next time you walk the cobblestone streets of Rome, remember that beneath the grandeur and glory lies the craftsmanship of ordinary men. We, the artisans, the pulse of Rome, welcome you. Farewell, and may the gods guide your path.